Speedography, Volume 2, Exercise 35, Speed 100 word per minute, start. No chamber of our parliamentary democracy can be allowed to be an extension of such a fractious polity. We are only rivals. I firmly believe I am speaking from my heart, honorable members, that we are all politics rivals. We are not enemies. As I said, each one according to his belief is working hard, pursuing his own political thought and process to strengthen the country and to help the people. So, keeping it in mind, we must act together. We must come together. We must discuss. Para. Yesterday, I can share it with you. I had an occasion to go and meet the outgoing president, Honorable Shri Pranab Mukherjee. He is one of the most senior politicians and statesmen of the country, and he told me what he had said earlier also. I repeat what he said. He said the parliament should discuss, debate, decide, not to disturb. We should not use the last D. It is very easy to say, but at the same time it is not impossible to implement also. Keeping that in mind, I hope that everybody understands. Every election gives the winner a mandate, the opposition the responsibility of ensuring accountability of the executive. I had been in the opposition for a long time. The ruling party has the power. The opposition must at least have its say. But at the end of the day, the democracy says that the opposition must have its say and the government must have its way, because it is as per the mandate of the people, and all of us must respect the above, trying to understand and appreciate each other's point of view. Para. It does not necessarily mean that we reduce the functioning of our legislature to a mere numbers game. The play of numbers should stop with the formation of governments, and thereafter it should be resorted to only in the rarest of the rare cases, as the leader of the opposition was mentioning earlier, and even some other senior members were also saying. When we function, when we discuss in depth, and also we always offer an enlightened debate better than others. That is the general feeling, but the only issue is that we must discuss, we must debate, and then we should decide. Then we will be able to deliver the best. So this is my request to all of you. The play of numbers should stop with the formation of the government, and thereafter it should be resorted to in the rarest of the rare cases only. Para. An emerging economy like ours should be guided more by a shared destiny in the functioning of our legislature. More and more discussion referring it to the committees, and then discussion in the committee goes beyond party lines. I myself was the chairman of some committees. Particularly, I was the chairman of the Standing Committee on Home Affairs for 5 years. Even on important issues, tricky issues, at the end of the day, we used to come to some common understanding. As there was no media and there was no other such thing, people used to speak out of their heart on what they believed, and they used to appreciate and understand each other's point of view. That is why the historic land boundary agreement by both the houses of parliament, the historic GST bill, and even the historic legislations that have been passed over the years, not only during this regime but in earlier regimes also, were the product of correct wisdom of both the houses of parliament. That was after a meaningful debate. Para. Honorable members, all that the people of our country desire is that the parliament should be voice of sanity, echoing their concern and finding solutions of their problems as the best way forward. Over the years, both the houses of parliament have done a reasonably good job, but somehow there is a growing concern and resentment among the people about our functioning. As the parliamentary affairs minister, I used to go and meet the media at the end of the session and then outline as to how many legislations had been approved, how many hours we made up for the loss of time, etc. But at the same time, as some of the members were suggesting today from the back benches or from the so-called small parties, the time that is available is to be adhered to. The point is that it is only a question of management of time. If you are able to utilize the full time, you will have enough time. If you spend time in procedural wrangles, then the time that will be lost will be a loss to the small